Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it, guys. Everybody's wondering if Bitcoin is going to crash, guys. We're going to answer that question today. I'm going to give you guys a Bitcoin update. We're going to go over XRP XLM. Then at the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys Cronos blockchain price prediction, the ticker CRO. We'll have a look at CRO and give you guys a price prediction. Alright guys, let's start off with crypto bubbles like always. See what the day is doing. Looks like most of the day for the crypto top 100 bubbles is green. Looks like we're having a nice sea of green today. So things are looking pretty good. Looks like we're bouncing back from 90,000 like 500 from Bitcoin, and we're already up all the way up to we did hit around 96,000 earlier today. So let's see what the biggest gainers for the day is. We got ENS, top gainer for the top 100 in crypto. We also got HEX up 18% for the day. ENA is up 21.2% for the day. XLM 11.8% for the day. Yeah, we got a lot of green. Even Render's up 9.1% for the day, guys. So yeah, let's get right into the Bitcoin update, guys. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing right now. Current price of Bitcoin at the time of recording right now is $95,733. It did get as high as 97,000 actually. Yeah, just a few hours ago, it got up to 97,386, and it's already corrected all the way back down to $95,730, guys. So like if you guys have been following my videos, I have been saying that by December 4th I do expect at least $120,000 Bitcoin, and that's because every time Bitcoin goes into price discovery, it makes a 100% move sometime between 3 to 4 weeks. Now this time it might be a few days later than 4 weeks, but at the end of 4 weeks, that's December 4th. That's why I'm expecting 120k Bitcoin by December 4th. But yeah, don't get bearish, guys. To answer the question, is Bitcoin going to crash? I do not think Bitcoin is going to crash, guys. Don't listen to the FUD out there. A lot of people are saying that we're not going to go over $100,000 in Bitcoin, that was the top. That we're just going to go into a bear market now. But I don't think that's the case, guys. Right now is not the time to get bearish on Bitcoin or crypto. We are in the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run. History shows that Bitcoin has a 4-year cycle, and right now we're at the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run. And once the parabolic bull run is over, sometime in September 2025 for Bitcoin, then we're gonna start going into the bear market. And then we'll have a heavy correction. Over a 70% correction for Bitcoin. But for now, guys, things are looking good for Bitcoin. We did top off on at $99,860 on November 22nd. So that was like 6 trading days ago. Because the trading day right now, it has just began for November 28th. The actual date here in the US is November 27th, but the actual trading day began about a couple hours ago. And it's already November 28th and on the trading day, guys. So yeah, it's been 6 days. We corrected all the way down to 90,682 on the trading day of November 26th. But look how quickly we bounced back, guys. We bounced back from 90,600 all the way up to $97,386. So basically about $7,000 we jumped in one day, guys. So that just shows that Bitcoin is bullish. It shows a sign of strength, so it's not a time to be bearish, guys. And if you look at the chart, the chart's still bullish, guys. Ever since August 5th, the Black Monday low, that was the local low for Bitcoin. 49,000. We were making nothing but higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And we made that last higher high at $99,860. And now I believe this is probably going to be the local higher low at 90,682. I don't think we'll go under 90,000, guys. I think there's a lot of support here at 90,000. So we might tap $90,000, but I don't think we'll go below $90,000. I think Bitcoin's just gonna keep ranging between $90,000 and $99,000 until we break 100K, and that could come at any time. If you take a look just about a week and a half ago, we made that higher local new all-time high of 93,495 in 6 days. And then we consolidated for 6 days, and then we broke out into a new higher prices until we topped off into 99,860. And let's see, we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We just started the sixth trading day of consolidation after we made the previous all-time high at 99,860. So this might be the last day of consolidation, or maybe we'll have a 1 or 2 more days of consolidation. And we might break up into new all-time highs, guys. But definitely don't get bearish, guys. A lot of people are thinking we're gonna have a Thanksgiving dump. I don't think so though, because I believe we already had the quick 9% correction. So I think we're just gonna go sideways through Thanksgiving, or basically another day, 2 or 3. Thanksgiving is tomorrow, so we might just stay going sideways between like 90K and 99,000 for Thanksgiving and maybe the day after. But I do see Bitcoin pretty soon here. I do see it breaking up to about 120K sometime before December 4th, because in my analysis 3 to 4 weeks after Bitcoin goes into price discovery, it makes a 100% move. So Bitcoin went into price discovery on November 6th when it broke its previous all-time high of 69K that was made in November 2021, and then it also broke the local new all-time high and made on March 18 of 2024 when it wicked all the way up to 73,600. So if you take 100% move from that, it actually goes all the way up to about $140,000, guys. But I'm just making being conservative. I am saying that at least in my research, it'll at least get to 120K by December 4th. Now, once December 4th, is over, or once Bitcoin, it could get to 120K before December 4th. But I'm saying it's probably gonna do it by December 4th. Give or take, a few days. 3 weeks from November 6th is November 27th, which is today, and 4 weeks is December 4th. So history shows that sometime between 3 to 4 weeks, Bitcoin does that 100% move. So that's why I'm saying that if history repeats, and it usually does. I mean, it's not exact, but it rhymes. It might not actually be by December 4th. Maybe it makes it on December 5th or 6th. But give or take, when I give dates and numbers, it's around those dates and numbers. It's never exact, because I don't have a crystal ball. I don't think anybody does. I mean, nobody knows exactly what's going to happen. Trading is probabilities. So from my research and my analysis, the probabilities are showing, the chart is showing that around December 4th, we should be around $120,000 for Bitcoin. And we're probably going to make a local top, around December 4th, right around there. And once we hit around 120K or maybe a little bit higher, then Bitcoin is going to start a 30% correction, guys. So stay tuned to that. Get ready for a 30% correction for Bitcoin sometime in the beginning days of December, probably around December 4th, give or take a few days, guys. But for now, don't get bearish. Bitcoin's not going to crash. I don't think Bitcoin's going to go under $90,000 until it goes one more leg up. It's got to go one more leg up to around 120K or a little bit higher, and then it's going to start its 30% correction. But even then, a 30% correction is normal for the Bitcoin parabolic bull run phase. It's not going to do like it's not going to go it's not going to go under the 73,000, the previous all-time high. Now, if Bitcoin was to go under $73,600, the previous all-time high, then I would start worrying, and then I would start getting bearish. Then I would, think that maybe something's wrong, and maybe things are going to be different this time, and maybe the Bitcoin bull run got cut short. But for now, guys, the chart is showing bullish, nothing but higher highs and higher lows, and we got to trade with the trend, because the trend is your friend until the end, guys. And the trend is bullish right now, so that's why I remain bullish, guys. So don't get bearish on me. Remain bullish on Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency. We are in the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run. Don't listen to the FUD out there. Don't listen, to the media about the war and recession and everything they say out there. It's just FUD out there. Just listen to the chart. Look at the chart, and the chart will show you the way, guys. And the chart is showing that everything is bullish. If we were to break the previous all-time high of 73,600, then I would start getting bearish. But for now, everything is bullish. Nothing but higher highs and higher lows. And I do see us breaking $100,000 by December 4th. And we'll probably get as high as 120K, maybe even a little bit higher, guys. So remain bullish on Bitcoin, guys. Now let's get right into XRP. Look at the XRP price range and update. Current price of XRP is $1.46. We did make that local top of $1.63, and we said that once we did that, we were probably gonna have around 30% correction. We've gotten as low as $1.27. A 30% correction for $1.63 is right around 114. So that's good that we haven't gotten there yet. But don't be surprised if we correct all the way down to like around $1.14. It's good if we don't. Maybe the correction will be less than 30%, which will be good. It'll show a sign of strength. But I do see XRP consolidating about a week or 2 weeks from the local top. So the local top was made on November 23rd. So it's probably going to consolidate, for a week or two. So sometime, it's going to be under the $1.63, for the rest of November. And probably by December 7th, we'll start breaking out, So we're probably going to consolidate for another week, guys. Because we've been consolidating for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days already. So probably another, another 7 days, 7 to 8 days, more consolidation. And then we'll start breaking up to new all-time highs, guys. Because that's usually what XRP does, It makes a local top, and then it corrects about 30%. Give or take a few percentage, and then it consolidates for a week or two, and then it's going to start trending upwards and move up to higher prices. So I do see us consolidating, underneath $1.63 and above about $1.14. So it's probably just going to range between $1.14 and $1.63 for the next week, next 7 or 8 or 9 days, and then we're going to start, trending upwards and get ready for the next leg up. And my next price target for XRP is $2. Once it starts, once it breaks above $1.63, it'll probably, top off, make another local top around $2 or a little bit higher. And I do see XRP being around. I do see XRP being at least $2 by the end of the year. So by the end of 2024, I do see XRP being at least $2, guys. So stay bullish on XRP, guys. Everything's looking good, but for XRP, nothing but higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So the XRP chart is bullish, and I do believe XRP is going to shine this bull run cycle. We got Gary Gensler, the SEC chair, has already put in a post that he's going to resign on January 20, 2025. So once that happens, I think XRP is going to go even more parabolic, guys. And I do see XRP getting as high as $15 at the top of this bull run cycle. And I do see XRP making a top around March, like around March 14 of 2025. I do see XRP making a new all-time high. It's going to be above $3, and probably be closer to $15 around March 14 of 2025. I do see XRP topping off. And maybe we'll see. We'll take a day by day. I don't know if March 14, 2025 is going to be like the top of the bull run for XRP, or am I correct? And it might make another top in late September with Bitcoin. But right now we'll have to take a look at it in March. But right now I do see XRP being bullish until March 14. But once we hit March 14, I do see bearish things coming for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. We're gonna have like major corrections when we get to mid-March, guys. But for now, just remain bullish on XRP. I do see XRP continuing to rally and make new highs until March 14 of 2025, guys. But until then, just stay bullish on that. And once we get into March, we'll take a look at the chart and see what the chart shows us, guys. We'll see if we're gonna get bearish on XRP in March, or we're just gonna do a dip and then recover again. But we'll take a look at that in March, guys. Stay tuned to the channel for that information, guys. Now into XLM, another one of the channel's favorites. We love all cryptocurrencies here, but I do like XLM and XRP, and Bitcoin, of course. Now the XLM price at the time of recording is 48 cents. We did get as high as 63 cents a few days ago on November 24. I said it was just like XRP, it was going to do a 30% correction, which it already kind of did. It's gone as low as 41 cents, 41.4. So yeah, let's just call it 41 cents. So 30% from 63 cents was around 43 cents. So it went right under 30%. So it's probably gone as low as like 32, 33%. So I do believe it's made its 30% correction. I don't believe we're gonna go under 40 cents for XLM. I think we're just gonna consolidate for another like another week or so, just like XRP. We're probably just gonna range somewhere between 40 cents and 60 cents for the next week. Next 7 or 8 or 9 days. We're gonna keep ranging, and sometime in December, after the first week of December, we'll start trending upwards and we'll start going into higher prices, guys. Yeah, guys, stay bullish on XLM. I do see us consolidating for another week or so, and then my next price target once we start on our next leg up for XLM is $1, guys. So probably around same as XRP. After December 7th, we'll probably start trending upwards. And I do see a Christmas rally coming for Bitcoin and cryptos in general. So I do see XLM being at least $1 by the end of the year, guys. So stay bullish on XLM and stay bullish on XRP, guys. Everything is looking good. The chart looks bullish for XLM. Nothing but higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And we all know XLM follows XRP. And this cycle is going to be very bullish for XRP. So that means that XLM is going to have a very bullish bull run cycle too, guys. Now that Donald Trump's coming in, probably the Ripple SEC case is going to be settled or thrown out, and we have a pro-crypto president coming into office January 20, 2025, and also there's going to be a crypto czar. I think like around 270 Congress and Senate positions are going to be pro-crypto, and we're going to have a lot of pro-crypto things going on for 2025, guys. So stay bullish on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. All right, guys. Now let's get into the let's look at the CoinMarketCap real quick. See how things are doing. The total cryptocurrency market cap, is up 5% for the day. It's at 3.35 trillion. Bitcoin alone is at 1.8 trillion dollar market cap. So Bitcoin is pretty much most of the market cap. Then with Ethereum, we got a 435 billion. Like almost half a trillion market cap. So yeah, but the whole market cap is at 3.35 trillion. That's way above the previous all-time high for the market cap. I think in November 2021, the all-time high was $3 trillion market cap. So we're already in price discovery for the total cryptocurrency market cap. So we're probably keep trending upwards, and more higher prices are coming for the total cryptocurrency market cap. The greed is still high. We're in extreme greed at 85, but that's probably going to remain for a while. Probably the greed is going to stay, we're probably going to stay in extreme greed until Bitcoin starts doing that 30% correction, which is probably sometime in the early days of December, guys. Bitcoin dominance is at 57. I don't see the true altcoin season starting until it goes below 55, but we're almost there. But that doesn't mean that certain altcoins are just going to be popping off. We're going to get random altcoins popping off, here and there. Like we got ENS popping off, ENA, they're up 44% and 22% for the day. So you're gonna have random altcoins popping off. That's normal. But once the Bitcoin dominance goes below 55%, that's when the true altcoin season will come, and all basically like 99% of the altcoins are gonna run. They're gonna like 10x, 100x, and some altcoins are even gonna do 1000x. And I do see Bitcoin dominance going under 55% sometime in January. I think in January, like at the beginning of the year of 2025, probably beginning January, or at least by when Donald Trump takes office, January 2025. I think that's when the true altcoin season will begin, and all altcoins are gonna moon. Like I said, some altcoins are gonna do 10x, 100x, and some are even gonna do 1000x. So get ready for that, guys. The time to get into position into your favorite altcoins is now, before they start doing the 10x, 50x, 100x, 1000x moons, guys. So definitely don't want to miss out on that, guys. Now let's get into the Crow price prediction. But before we get into the price prediction, let's go over the CRO tokenomics. Current price of Crow right now is 0.17, so 17 cents. Total supply of Crow is 30 billion Crow. Current market cap of Crow is $4.68 billion. It's up 2.61% up for the day. And the total circulating supply of CRO is 26.57 billion Crow. So that's pretty good. It's basically almost the total supply are already in circulation, so the team's not going to dump on you. And the all-time low of Crow was a penny, and it was made in December 17 of 2018. So Crow is it's an OG coin. It's been around for a long time. It's basically the exchange coin for Crypto.com. Crypto.com is the platform, and CRO is the token for Crypto.com, guys. The all-time high for Crow was made in November 24, 2021. It basically topped off with Bitcoin 3 years ago, and it was at 96 cents, guys. So let's get into the price prediction, guys. Let's go to the chart right here. How high do I think Crow could get? Well, I definitely think it could reach its all-time high of 96 cents. I definitely see Crow getting into at least $1 this bull run cycle. But my bearish case scenario for Crow, I think is very bullish. Before I give the price prediction, I think Crow is very bullish. I mean, Crypto.com, it's been doing a lot of marketing. It's been marketing in the U.S., Europe, Asia, Africa. Basically, it's marketing everywhere, guys. So I do see, Crow, mooning. BNB was like the #1 exchange token last cycle. I think CRO is going to be the number one exchange token for this cycle, guys, because it's been doing a lot of marketing. It's got a lot of meme coins. It's got a lot of coins in general in its platform, and it's got the desktop exchange, and then it's got the app, the Crypto.com app that's very friendly use. It's really easy to use, really good for new crypto investors, really good for retail. So that's why I think CRO is going to be the #1 exchange token for this cycle, guys. So my bearish case scenario for CRO, guys, is at least $1.50. I think it could easily get to $1.50. It's almost guaranteed, guys. But again, nothing is guaranteed, guys. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so, or because anybody says so. I'm not a financial investor. I'm not a financial advisor. And only invest the money you're willing to lose, guys. Do your own research, guys. But my Crow price prediction, my bearish case scenario for CRO is $1.50. I think it could easily get to $1.50. Now my realistic price prediction for CRO is around $2. Around $2. That would only make it like a $53 billion market cap, which I think is very, very doable. So $2 is very feasible. So I think realistically, Crow is gonna easily get to $2, which will only be a $53 billion market cap. Now in my bullish case scenario for CRO, Bitcoin gets over $200,000 price range, I do see CRO getting to around $3. So Bitcoin could get to around 200K Bitcoin price or higher. I do see CRO mooning and getting to at least $3. So just to summarize, my bearish case scenario for CRO is $1.50. My realistic price prediction for CRO is around $2, and my extra bullish price prediction for CRO, if Bitcoin could get to $200,000 or higher, I do see CRO hitting around $3, guys. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on CRO. Look into CRO. It's still early. I mean, if it gets to $2, you still got like a good, like a 10x from the prices today. It's already, moon from the bear market low of like 4 to 5 cents. It's all the way up to 17 cents. But if you're looking for an exchange token, I do think CRO is going to be the #1 exchange token this cycle. And now I'm being conservative on my price prediction. CRO might surprise me and everybody. It might even, it might moon, and get all the way up to $5 or higher, guys. You know what BNB did last cycle? It did a crazy move. So you never know. I mean, CRO might do a 100x from 5 cents from the bear market low all the way to $5. And surprise all of us, guys. But I at least see it. I'm conservative on my price predictions. So again, my realistic price prediction is around $2, but my extra bullish price prediction is around $3. But you never know. CRO might surprise us all and go above $3, guys. All right, guys. Stay bullish on the market. Bitcoin is not going to crash. We're not going to head into a bear market now. And I do see, Bitcoin continue its rally. It's going to keep rallying all the way up to December 4th, give or take a few days. And by the end of December 4th, I do see Bitcoin around 120K. It might take a few more days to break 100K. We'll probably, break it, in a few days though. I do see, Bitcoin breaking 100K, sometime in the next few days. And by December 4th, I do see Bitcoin topping up around 120K or maybe a little bit higher. And then once Bitcoin does that local top around the early days of December, then I do see a 30% correction coming in for Bitcoin. But stay tuned to the channel. We'll analyze it every day. But right now, in my analysis, Bitcoin is still bullish. The chart is showing bullish structure. Nothing to fear. I don't see Bitcoin breaking down. I don't see a Bitcoin crash coming or nothing like that. If anything, I see a sign of strength, like I showed you already. Bitcoin recovered right away. We dipped down all the way to 90,600, but look how quickly it recovered all the way to 97K, and now we corrected all the way to 95K. But just as quickly as we could correct to 90K, we're gonna, we could quickly go to the upside and break 100K, guys. So remain bullish on Bitcoin. This is not the time to get bearish on Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency market, guys. We are in the beginning stages of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, guys. So this is not the time to be bearish. History shows that at this time of the cycle in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, things are going to start going parabolic, and they already did since the election days. Bitcoin, started its parabolic move, from all the way down from 67,000. It went all the way up to 99,000. In less than 3 weeks. And I think it's going to continue that move until the early days of December and get above 100K and probably get it to as high as 120,000, maybe even a little bit higher, guys. So remain bullish on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Also, Ethereum starting to move already. Current price of Ethereum is $3,592. It did get as high as $3,678. So take a look at Ethereum and the Ethereum betas, guys. Don't miss out on Optimism, Uniswap, XCN, Jasmine Coin, Arbitrum, Pepe, Popcat. Not Popcat. Popcat's Solana meme coin. I meant to say Floki, Pepe, Shib. Don't miss out on the Ethereum layer 2s. Also, Brett's the #1 meme coin for Base, but Base is layer 2 on Ethereum. So don't miss out on the Base coins. Aerodrome Finance, Velodrome Finance. There's a lot of them out there, guys. Definitely look them up. I mean, I can't go over all of them, but definitely, don't miss out on Uniswap and all the ones I already mentioned. Arbitrum, even Pole, though Xmatic is up a little bit. Although I'm not that bullish on Pole because of the migration. I don't think POL is gonna do that good today. I mean, this cycle. I don't think it's gonna break its all-time high. I think it's because it's got a lot of the migration. I don't know. I just got a bad feeling around Pole. I just don't like it that they did the migration from Matic to POL. But I mean, it might surprise me. You never know. It might break its previous all-time high of $3 and something. But we'll have to take a look at it. But I'm staying away from it. But that doesn't mean you have to stay away from it. Do your own research, and if you like POL, then that's good. I mean, it might go into new all-time highs. You never know. But look at all the other Ethereum layer 2s, guys, because Ethereum's already starting to make a move, and I do see Ethereum start moving once Christmas comes in. I think it's going to start moving harder. I think the Christmas rally is going to make Ethereum go up into higher prices, and by January I do see Ethereum going into a full-blown parabolic bull run stage. Definitely by the time Donald Trump comes in, and that'll mark the true altcoin season, and that's when everything's gonna start going parabolic, guys. That's when you'll see everything going 10xing, 15xing, 100x's, and some of your favorite cryptocurrencies are gonna do 1,000x's or more, guys. So stay tuned to the channel, guys. Remain bullish on Bitcoin in the market. Bitcoin is definitely not gonna crash. I mean, nothing's 100%, but I could 99% confidently say that Bitcoin is not going to crash and go underneath 73,600. But there is that 1%, that it might, because I'm not a psychic. I don't have a crystal ball. I mean, the internet, might stop functioning tomorrow, and then everything's going to crash. But I highly doubt that's going to happen, guys. I'm 99% sure that Bitcoin is not going to crash, and we are going to go into higher prices because it is the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, guys. So remain bullish on the market, guys, and like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's make this channel grow. And this is Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.